Hello, welcome to the House of Solutions channel, and today the review video is quite interesting. We're going to talk about septic tanks, and we brought mission plans, which will teach you how to set up sheds there in that backyard. Throughout the video you will discover everything that is really important and its benefits, so pay close attention, so that you don't make mistakes when using or purchasing mission plans. My Shed Plans is designed to help you build your new shed, garage and several other things that are possible. It becomes different from other woodworking plans because it reveals the secrets of woodworking and really teaches you step by step, and to do just follow the instructions. Be on the alert to the site of purchase. Be very careful with the site that you will buy My Shed Plans because it is only sold on the official site, and to help you, I left the link of the official site below in the description and in the comments. The shed plans are easy to follow, and it was thought of you so that you don't have a lot of headaches when building your shed, and comes with step-by-step of AZ, in detail so you don't get lost, totally complete list of materials that will be used and illustrations with color photos and instructions. It also has a cut list, 3-dimensional drawings, and CAD design drawings. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who really approve of My Shed Plans. You learn how to make your own shed, and there are several models to be built. However, do it following the instructions. My Shed Plans is guaranteed for 60 full days from the date of purchase. If you don't see results or if you don't like it for any other reason, they will return your money. So be safe to use My Shed Plans, but make sure you are buying from the official site to get the benefits of the guarantee. For that, the link is already available in the video description and in the comments. So, I decided to record this video because it is a unique opportunity for you to acquire a product that really teaches you step by step and that is very detailed, in addition to various benefits, will be an investment that really pays off. Buy only on the official site, which is already here in the description, and if you buy the product, follow the instructions. And if you want more videos about courses or books on renewable energy, leave them here in the comments. Subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video.